CTM stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I'm looking at Castellum Incorporated stock, and this is melting. Not in a way that it's kind of bearish for me or whatever, but it's still it kind of, I was waiting for a double break, and after that kind of happened and occurred, kind of came down yet again. Generally speaking, I've done like 38,000 videos over the last 4.5 years, more than anyone else that's doing these types of videos. The efforts there, I also invested, like, all the proof is documented as well. And with CTM, with this blank sheet, man, like, unless, yeah, it's kind of all over the place. My bias is obviously still towards the upside, but I want a clear approach. I want like a blank sheet, and only if the price does pull down and shows me this double break, then and only then I'll look to take it up. If not, it's all good, you know, like randomly buying, at least for me, it's just not going to be the option. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. Goodbye.